και από την άλλη στιγμή και την ίδια στιγμή ο αρχηγός του κόμματος, του βασικού εταίρου του ΒΜΡΟ, ο κύριος Τραγιάνοφ, ο οποίος μίλησε και στο Open, είπε χαρακτηριστικά ότι η νέα κυβέρνηση θα σεβαστεί τη Συμφωνία των Πρεσπών και ότι θα τηρηθεί μάλιστα και η συνταγματική ονομασία, δηλαδή η Βόρεια Μακεδονία.
Σε ευχαριστούμε πολύ και πάμε να ακούσουμε τι σου είπε.
Do you agree with the logic of the President of Democracy for the Prespa agreement?
Our government will respect the contract between Macedonia and Greece because we very close the election period, and that's why more of the politicians use the only Macedonia without North. But in the official communication, they will respect. New government will be prepared to continue the better relation and to improve this relation, especially the economic relation. And I think that because Sijanos Kadavkov is professor of the law, and he will respect our constitution, he will respect the agreements between Macedonia and Greece.
How do you intend to manage relations with Greece?
It's now to organize some meeting between Mitsotakis and Mitskovsky will be very nice, or to have some meeting between our president, Sijanos Kadavkov, and your president and the president of Greece.